Jai Hind, friends. Are you also fed up with lizards and want to get rid of them? Please watch this video till end. First thing first, keep the room clean. Toss out the trash promptly and say goodbye to food crumbs. Lizards like a messy room about as much as we do. Lizards also have a sensitive noses, so let's use that to our advantage. Citrus peels, garlic, onion, or some minty oil strategically placed in your room can make it a no-go zone for lizards. Lizards hate certain smells. One of them is in mothballs. Toss a few near doors and windows. It's like setting up a no lizards allowed sign. Lizards also love a good party with lights, especially when bugs are on the guest list. Draw the curtains or switch off unnecessary lights at night. Less light, fewer lizards. Simple. Feeling crafty? Whip up your lizard repellent. Mix water and white vinegar or try a combo of tobacco and coffee grounds. Spray it around entry points and watch those lizards find a new hangout. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Cheers to a lizard free life. Jai Hind.